line.
Parking up the hill.
Parking up
Let's
the
go.
hill.
Oh my god. Let's do it. No.
That's a hill. Oh my god.
This is so much fun.
Oh my god.
Keep going, go. Oh no.
I'm gonna go to the rock. Am I gonna flip over? Oh my god.
And I baptized you in the name of the Father, the Son. This was like a G-tuner. What color was the jet? What the fuck? Oh, yeah.
I'm sure glad that I didn't get the pan.
The pan would have been
Oh my god. Zip lining. I'm gonna zip right down this wet stairs here. Woo! Are you gonna do it? Just say your joke.
What's the scariest plant?
What?
Bamboo.
Hello. Oh, you gotta climb that first? What a smart guy to book the thing early in the morning. There. One step. I have a fear of zip lining, but I'm taking steps to conquer it. Corey. She's our guinea pig?
All right, Blanca.
While you going, guys, bend your knees, okay? Keep your knees up, okay? You ready?
I think so. All right.
You're ready. Go. First one of the day, hopefully.
Very good.
Go ahead. Just pull down the cable.
Sounds good. Have fun, buddy.
It's her loose from behind your head all the time, and once you're getting close to the end, start pulling down the cable lightly to slow you down.
Sounds good.
You ready?
Yep. Send me to my wife.
All right, go on.
All right, Corey.
Go, Corey!
Stand up here, kid.
Okay.
Bend your knees.
Maybe I did it a little too
Come
much.
on, bud. You did good.
I'm learning.
You did good. This is the first line, don't worry.
That's why they have a short line first.
Now this way, man.
Like that way.
Just break like that, but a little bit closer.
Okay, gotcha.
Keep going, amiga.
Keep going, don't break so much.
Don't break. Don't break.
There you go.
Yeah, I didn't want to go. I didn't know what to do there.
No, you did good. But remember,
You can do it, Blanca. Yeah, you can. It's better than sleeping in. Whoa, look at the view. Good job, honey.
Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. You got this.
Let's go, baby! How was it?
Good. It was fun.
I so beat you.
Well, yeah.
I got about 100 pounds on you.
No. It was fun.
Yeah, you didn't like the stairs though?
I'm getting over it. Getting up them, getting down them. We're good.
Did we get a ride back up the hill? I hope.
I like that one.
Which one's your favorite, guys?
This one.
That one was fun, but it was scary because I'm going backwards.
I'm like, do I have to stop? Do I have to stop?
Yeah.
There's a bar back here. Yeah.
Sometimes we get right up the hill, so it's a walk up. Those things are
I really wish I had my phone in the case because it
seriously does,
That's
yeah.
so funny. It reminds me of last time. Oh, whoa.
Oh, we get to climb that thing again.
We do?
Yeah, we gotta go to the top.
Vengo siempre con alegría, mami. Ajá. Ay, qué rico. Escucha el coro que dice. Con alegría vengo yo, vengo siempre con felicidad. Cuando te sientes sola, llámame, no pierdas la oportunidad. Con alegría vengo yo, vengo siempre con felicidad. Yo soy un hombre positivo y eso es la verdad. Así quédate conmigo, mami, tus problemas ya se van, porque vengo con alegría. Siempre con felicidad. Y cuando te sientes sola,
This does really well. It's nice trim quality.
llámame, no pierdas la oportunidad. Vengo siempre con felicidad. Cuando te sientes sola, llámame, no pierdas la oportunidad. Cuando te sientes triste, cuando te sientes sola, ya sabes a quién tienes que llamar.
You know what the surfers are doing? Surfers, you know what they are doing? They're just waving. No, come on. They were paddling these
Yo
heights.
sé que quieres sentir más felicidad.
No way.
Por eso apúrate, mamá, y ven acá. Con alegría vengo yo, vengo siempre con felicidad. Por eso llámame ahora, mami, no pierdas la oportunidad. Con alegría vengo yo, vengo siempre con felicidad. Porque llegó el momento, mamita, como no. Vamos a guarachar, ya tú sabes que llegó.
No, it's crazy. It is crazy. I am scared of heights.
¿Cómo no?
Let the need the wire. Okay. Nope. You got it.
Dale mambo. Anda. Rico, sabroso. Ahí preparado.
No hands. No hands.
Sí, llámame. No pierdas la oportunidad. No pierdas
back up. Are we backing up this?
No.
Oh my God! Serious? No way! That thing's like straight up. Not right now, though.
The only time you guys sweat is when you're listening to D. Ohio State University.
Feels like Maddie's here.
It never ends.
We're everywhere.
What if I let her go?
I get to come with you.
Don't let me go.
Espérate, ¿qué pasa?
Bye, Ann.
¿Qué pasa si la suelto?
I got them.
That was before they were born.
2 and 3, go. Good job, guys. You gonna make it, Ann? Oh! Swim, you're almost there.
That was a rough landing.
Do you want to get on the other side of the scoop, Dad? Dad? Other side of the scoop?
The last one, right? Yeah.
This is the fastest one? Yep. Oh, Rapido?
This is the fastest. Okay. Thank you.
Any last words? Danny?
Tell my hubby I love him. Tell my Mo I love him.
Oh, Mo.
No,
The last one was a little scary.
No, that was phenomenal.
Highly recommend zip lining at, where's this place?
I don't know. Great question.
It's zip lining in the Yunque Rainforest. This is where we go, right, Blanca? It says exit.
Yep. Oh no.
Yeah, probably.
He did.
I got it. I'm not as dumb as I look, hon.